Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best baby laundry bags is probably one of the most essential baby products for new parents, protecting delicate baby clothes and preventing smaller items from getting lost in the washing machine. In this video, we will review the top-rated baby laundry bags on the market, comparing their features, durability, and overall value to help you choose the perfect one for your little one's laundry needs. Number 5. BAGAIL Laundry Bags. Say goodbye to damaged clothes. These mesh laundry bags protect your delicates during washing. They're a must-have for anyone who wants to keep their clothes looking their best. The zippers on these bags lock automatically, preventing them from opening during the wash cycle. The zipper cover adds extra protection for your garments. This set includes a variety of sizes, so you can find the perfect fit for all your clothes. Wash similar colors together for best results. The silky mesh is gentle on even the most delicate fabrics. It protects your lingerie, hosiery, and other fine garments, extending their lifespan. Made from durable, highly permeable fabric, these bags protect your clothes while ensuring thorough cleaning. They're built to last. We're committed to providing high-quality products and excellent customer service. If you have any issues, our team is here to help. What we like? It has an autolock zipper and a zipper cover to protect your clothes and washing machine. Its various sizes are perfect for sorting clothes by color and type. If you need a durable and practical laundry bag set for your delicates, this is the one for you. What people say. These are fantastic for washing undergarments or delicate clothing. I have had my first set for years and the only reason I ordered more is because I just needed more. They are very sturdy and I have not had any zippers break. I love the different sizes because they can fit everything that I need. The sizes are perfect for what I need. Keeps my delicate items protected in the wash, makes laundry so much easier and great for using while traveling. Very happy with this purchase. The mesh material is sturdy and allows for thorough cleaning while protecting your delicate items from snags and tangles. The zippers are well made and secure, ensuring that your clothes stay inside the bag throughout the wash. Number 4. GOGOODA 7PCS Laundry Bags. Tired of damaged clothes after laundry? These 7 mesh bags protect your delicates while keeping them organized. Say goodbye to tangled and snagged garments. With 7 different sizes, it's the perfect combination for all your washing needs. They're great for delicates, lingerie, sweaters, and more. These bags prevent tangling and snagging in the washer and dryer. They also minimize color bleeding and help organize your clothes for travel. Made from strong polypropylene nylon, they're built to last. The mesh allows for optimal cleaning, and they're easy to reuse wash after wash. The zippers have an autolock function to prevent opening during laundry. A zipper cover adds extra protection for your clothes. Protect your delicate items and extend their life with these reusable bags. It's a smart investment that saves you money in the long run. These bags are also perfect for organizing your luggage when traveling. Keep your clothes neat and wrinkle-free during your trips. What we like? This 7-piece set has a perfect combination of sizes for all your laundry needs, from delicates to baby clothes. It protects your clothes from tangling and color bleeding. If you're looking for a comprehensive and long-lasting solution for all your laundry needs, choose this set. What people say. When I received my bags, I knew I would like them based on the reviews, but I had no idea how large the biggest bags actually were, which was my own fault, obviously, for not paying more close attention to the sizes of these. I purchased these for not only washing delicates like bras and lingerie in, but also certain tops and pieces that may fall apart or get tangled easily in the washer if left with the rest of my clothes, versus being safely washed inside a protected zippered bag in one that the zipper actually stays closed. The zippers are also tucked under a protective plastic cover to prevent them from catching on to other items or causing damage. The set includes 5 bags of various sizes, catering to different needs. The zipper lock feature is a standout, as it securely closes the bag and prevents it from opening during the wash cycle. Number 3. Kimmama Delicates Laundry Bags. It's made from a high-grade gray fine mesh, unlike other white mesh bags. This makes it easy to spot and adds a touch of personality. This set includes 1 large and 1 medium bag, perfect for all your delicates. They're great for clothes, underwear, socks, shoes, and more. The high-quality, auto-locking zipper has a side cover to prevent it from opening during the wash cycle and to protect your washing machine. These bags are ideal for travel, keeping your clothes separate from others. They're also great for storage and organization at home. If you have any questions or concerns, our customer support team is here to help. We're committed to your satisfaction. What we like. It's made of a unique gray fine mesh, making it easy to identify your clothes. This small set includes a large and medium bag, perfect for your delicates. If you want a simple yet effective solution for washing delicates and easy identification, this is a great choice. What people say. The bags work great. The size is perfect for what I need. The bags help protect your little items from getting stuck. I love that it has a little white lip that locks the zipper in so it doesn't open in the wash or dryer. I like that there were 3 different sizes. These bags are sturdy. I've washed anything from my unmentionables to sneakers. I've been using these bags to wash my shoes, of various materials and colors, and they have been great. They keep the shoes together instead of having them flying all over inside my washer and making so much noise. Number 2. Honeycomb Mesh Laundry Bags. Say goodbye to damaged clothes. These durable bags protect your delicates during washing and drying. It's made from a strong, breathable honeycomb mesh that allows for thorough cleaning and even drying. At 12 by 16 inches, it's the ideal size for delicates, lingerie, and more. Large enough to be useful, small enough to not take up too much space. The premium, anti-rust zipper with auto-lock ensures it stays securely closed throughout the wash and dry cycles. No more worries about items escaping. Protect your favorite clothes and keep them looking their best for longer. It's gentle enough for even the most delicate fabrics. This 3-pack gives you plenty of bags to handle all your laundry needs. You'll always have one ready to go. What we like. The honeycomb mesh design ensures thorough cleaning and drying. It's made of durable material for long-lasting use. If you prioritize durability and a clean wash for your delicates, this is the perfect option. What people say. They are mesh but actually don't have any holes in them, so zippers and other things won't damage your clothes. The quality of these is amazing and they protect your clothing perfectly. I love that the inner layer is a very fine mesh so that hooks can't snag. They're good-sized, not too big or too small. And there is a loop to slide the zipper under which keeps the bag closed during the wash cycle. These have held up well so far and no evidence of fraying or holes in the mesh. Zippers are still performing well and I use them on a weekly basis. These bags are great for washing delicate items or things with Velcro on them, knee wraps, wrist straps, etc., that you don't want to get stuck to the rest of the laundry. Number 1. Vivifying Mesh Laundry Bags. Introducing our set of 4 durable mesh laundry bags, designed to protect your clothes during washing. They come in 3 convenient sizes to handle all your laundry needs. This set includes 1 medium, 2 large, and 1 extra large bag. You'll have the perfect size for everything from delicates to shoes. The large mesh holes allow for thorough cleaning and quick drying. It's perfect for delicates, lingerie, and other items that need extra care. Made from high-quality, breathable polyester, these bags are built to last. The sturdy zippers keep everything secure during washing. Use them for washing or as packing organizers for travel. These versatile bags are a must-have for any home. Prevent snags, tangles, and tears with these protective bags. Keep your favorite clothes looking their best for longer. What we like. This set includes 4 bags in 3 sizes to accommodate various laundry needs. The wide mesh design ensures efficient cleaning and drying. If you need a versatile set for all your laundry items, including larger items, this is a great choice. What people say. They are also useful for small garments such as socks, undergarments, bikinis. Appearance is white, mesh for ease of water and cleaning products to saturate the garments, lightweight, no smell and very sturdy. This bag is very sturdy with good water flow through the nylon bag while in the washer. I like to wash my sneakers. This keeps them from getting scuffed as they wash. Zipper stayed close. Ave used it at least 3 times. No fraying or holes. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.